What if I told you that starting January 28, 2025, you could get up to 30% back on your home renovation costs? Yes, you heard that right. Ontario New Home Saving Renovation Program is here to help you save big on energy efficient upgrades. Hi, we are the Tom Joseph team, and we've been helping buyers and sellers for the past 30 years, selling thousands of properties. My name is Tom Joseph, and I'm the broker.
My name is Jasenia David. I'm a licensed real estate agent, and I'm also the admin and marketing coordinator for the real estate team.
My name is John Joseph. I'm a real estate broker and a mortgage agent.
Today, I'm excited to share how this fantastic program can make your home more comfortable, increase its value, and put more money back in your pocket. Let's dive into the details and see how you can take advantage of these amazing rebates. The Ontario Home Renovation Saving Program is a new initiative launched on January 28, 2025, designed to help homeowners like you improve energy efficiency and reduce utility costs. The program offers rebates of up to 30% for various home renovations, including installing new insulation, windows and doors, upgrade to smart thermostat and heat pumps, additional rooftop solar panels, and battery storage system, just to name a few. The best part, these rebates will be paid in 30 to 60 days of you applying and getting an approved application.
Two of the biggest rebates include up to $8,900 for installation and up to $12,000 for installing a ground source heat pump, which is a game changer for reducing energy costs year-round.
That's a lot of saving for energy.
Yep. Later in 2025, the program is going to be expanding to include rebates for energy-efficient appliances such as refrigerators and freezers.
Yeah, they were thinking of bringing that for the past few years, the Ontario government.
Yeah.
But it's good that they actually brought it now.
Let's break down these savings. Say you upgrade your home with a new insulation, rooftop solar panel, and a ground source heat pump. With a new rebate, you could save up to $8,900 for insulation and up to $5,000 for rooftop solar panel and up to $12,000 for ground source heat pump. That's over $25,000 in potential savings.
Yeah, that's a huge saving.
Yeah.
I know with all the new things that they're implementing for energy efficiency, especially insulation, there's a lot of homes that are old that have old insulation. And that is also, though some of those insulations are toxic, and this will really help people to live inside the home with, toxic-free insulation, which is great.
For example, if you spend $50,000 on renovation, you could get up to $15,000 back, plus enjoy lower heating cost every month.
Yeah, because I know a lot of people are now trying to save because the cost of living is so high. So any saving that you can save on utility bills is an additional saving for all of you, right? Now, how do these upgrades impact your home resale value? You get higher market appeal as buyers are increasingly looking for energy efficient homes.
That's right.
To reduce long-term utility cost, like I just mentioned earlier. Your property value increases. Studies show that energy-efficient homes can sell up to 2% to 10% more than comparable homes without upgrades.
Wow.
That's a lot of savings.
Yeah, that's
and
right.
also, what is good is that these homes will sell faster. When you add all these together, the long-term savings is huge. It also cuts down on maintenance fee because you're going to save on heating and cooling bills, making your home more desirable. An example of how the heating bill actually got saved is we had a home that we just recently updated, renovated the whole home. We gutted the whole home. When we looked at the heating bills compared to before, and we started the installing new insulation, we had new plumbing, electrical, and when we looked at the bills after the whole home was updated, it cut down the heating cost by almost 50%. We just sold the property last week and we got almost now 100,000 more than our previous price that we listed. Investing in these upgrades not only saves you money while you live in the home, but also makes it more valuable and attractive when it's time to sell. And we have seen that a lot with just the most recent example I gave you earlier. Our free guide is going to provide you information and additional support and resources such as Canada Green Home Initiative, energy efficient appliances, and multi-generational home renovation and tax credit. That's something I think they implemented just recently. Want to know how much these upgrades could boost your home value? On the example I just gave you earlier, it increased it by at least 100,000 on that particular home. Take advantage of this opportunity and let's chat. Click on the link below or call us or email us, and we can then provide you with a free guide where you're going to learn about these additional incentives and contractors' names on how you can start the process.